Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your Motorola Moto G22. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and from here start searching for an app. Write Microsoft Edge and hit the search button. Now select this app and click install. After our installation process is complete, we'll be able to open our app. From here you can customize it, you can add an account in order to synchronize other devices that are using the same browser or sign in. Now let's sign in later. In order to skip it, right here you can enable data sharing preferences with Microsoft. I'm not gonna do that, and then press confirm. Here you can set Microsoft Edge as your default browser, and yes, let's do it. Choose the browser app, select Edge, go back, and the browser is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.